Introducing yourself. This is super important. This is also something you should rehearse and have it rolling off the tongue with confidence. I can tell you, I work on my intro all the time. So no matter what situation I'm in on here, if it's 200-300 people, if my adrenaline's pumping, my mouth starts getting dry, that I can deliver my intro with confidence. And I like to do more than just like, hi, I'm Josh Lenn, I'm a coach. I like to add a little bit more. What am I passionate about? Who am I? Where am I from? A little bit more than, meat on the bone actually drives curiosity. And it's gonna make us wanna ask you some questions later on. I love it when people are like, oh yeah, I love to fish and I have a boat. I can't wait for summer. I'm gonna go on my boat and go fishing. Getting more personal doesn't mean not being professional. I actually think it means you're more engaging, and it doesn't take down the level of professionalism. It actually adds. I find people who are personal to be more credible. And I'm not saying dump out everything, but tell us a little bit more. What are you passionate about? What excites you? That really adds a lot to who you are and helps me, connect with you.